Look at this menu! There's so much to choose from! Surprise!
We interrupt your smart TV to give you a Thomas the Tank Engine error, because Thomas the Tank Engine knows that you are attempting to watch the Mr. Men Show, and because you are a minor. I will give you 10 chances, but they won't be shown on the screen.
Remember, Libman, I'm watching you, and I'm giving you 10 railway chances. Oh, I saw you turned off your smart television. The announcer and I specifically know that you are attempting to watch the Mr. Men Show. You turned off your smart television for the 3rd time now. You have 8 chances left. If you keep turning it off like this, you will not like what's going to happen next. Don't do it. That's 4 times you turned off your smart television. I'm telling you, this error is not a joke. No. You cannot do this. You cannot do this to me at all. You have wasted half of your good chances. And if you waste it one more time, I will initiate evil mode. Nice going, pal. I was the one behind the Thomas the Tank Engine error this whole time, and I am now in evil mode. And you only have 5 chances left. Also known as 5 bad chances. Why do you keep turning your smart television off like this? This error is not a joke, you know. You really want to do this the hard way? Be my guest, because you have 3 more chances left.
Naughty and dude, nobody gets my poor Jamesy!
Since you insulted Bracelety, I'm taking away 2 chances from you. This is your last chance. If you turn off your smart TV one more time, then you will need to enter the code. And I'm not kidding around anymore. Code time! Code time! Code time! You need to enter the treat code in order to get your smart television back. I am sorry. That is the wrong treat code. The correct treat code is Bazooka! If you would have guessed my favorite candy, I would have given back your smart television. But that didn't happen. You will be punished now. As for that, I will sing the Let It Go song and give you 10 seconds for the jump scare. I hope Bracelety will be proud of me. Cue the music!
Let it go, can't hold it back anymore.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
We can make you as good as you.
Word to the wise! I have cut your smart television so that you will never watch the Mr. Men Show or any other show ever again. Tough crap for you, pal. Goodbye forever.